Yo, what's poppin' YouTube? Is your boy Silos once again with another one of these YouTube videos. And today I'm gonna do something a little bit different than what I usually do, talking about stocks and having a daily talk or whatever. We're gonna actually be tracking down Nvidia, not obviously the whole time because I'm not gonna make a long ass video like that, but throughout the day, I'm gonna be keeping you an update of how it's going because I'm in the lookout of getting out. Right now we've been up 3% since the stock opened, and we're $124, which I'm a couple cents away from where I think I should buy out. What if this stock keeps growing more? That's why right now I believe it's a good time to be on the lookout every single moment of the day to see what happens. I'm gonna keep updating you guys throughout the day, seeing what it does, so you can kind of have an idea for whenever you're looking at a stock and you're in this situation. You can kind of know kind of what to look for. I spoke about that just yesterday on my video that I posted. I knew that this stock was gonna just grow, because it's just what it's showing, the patterns that it's showing, very short turns right there, as you can see. If you can pay attention, let me see if I can like right here, those little small bumps, it keeps doing that. It makes a little curve and then it goes up. That's what I'd be looking for whenever I'm looking at a stock. What's up, YouTube? I'm back. It's already 2 p.m. at this point, from where we were at earlier. We've been having a struggling day today in every situation possible. Bitcoin, started off with Bitcoin. We've been down, and we went back all the way down to $108.69. If I would have some money right now, that would have been the right moment to step right back on. But hopefully I find it on a down session on Friday. Hopefully it's going down. Obviously, stabilizing and going down is two different things. It's always going to go down regardless. Stabilizing for me, because I don't feel like anybody uses that term, but I'm going to use it. Why not? Stabilizing for me is like when it just stays 62, 63, 64. That already stabilized to me right now. Bitcoin, I think, is there, unless another big ass dip for 50 something comes around. But still, I think that it will always just kind of jump back to 63, 64,000. To me, that's where it's at right now. So anything that goes down under 63,000, even if it's 62, 61, is a good buy-in for me right now on Bitcoin. Bitcoin for me, it turns out to be a little bit more easier now, because I feel like it's just about putting in money, not really trading as a daily trade. I mean, you can do it, but me personally, I don't do it because of how much the fees are just to get the money out. But anyways, when we go to the stock side of things, Nvidia also for me seems like it's stabilized at $23 to $24. I feel like I can't say that with certainty yet because it's only been 3 days, so I can't tell you that for sure. But let's say it stays like that till Friday, 63, 64,000, then it's probably just gonna stabilize right there already, and not gonna move in a while. And if it does, it's gonna be a wild one, so they can come right back up. So Nvidia is gonna be tempting not to sell, instead buy in a little bit more. If it keeps me at $5 at least, by the time it goes down, let's say it goes down to $120, or $119, and I'm at $5 gain, I'm just gonna buy even more Nvidia, to be honest, because I feel like we're just gonna jump back to 124, 25, or 130, and then go down again. That's how I feel like it's going with Nvidia. What is up, guys? We're back. This is actually the next day. Nothing happened yesterday. We stayed at $123, so nothing really major right there going on. Right now we can see that this is the next day. It says 8 a.m. Stock just opened. It fluctuated all the way back to up to 125, and now we're going all the way down again, super fast, as you can see. So I'm gonna try to sell out at $7 with my gain, because I feel like this is just gonna go drop and then probably just come right back in. It just depends if I get to that $7, $7.10, $7 something with that gain. Leave with it and then come right back with $40 wherever it lands on at the least, which shouldn't be that bad anymore. But if anything, if it keeps fluctuating up, then we'll probably just stay in The thing is, I don't know if that's gonna happen or not. I want to leave with my $6 or $7, which $7 would be great, or go all the way down, get my $6, and then go right back in. I don't know. It just depends what it does. I've been waiting on this. I've been trying to stay up with it, and keep up with it. But I mean, obviously, it might be one of those that I could miss. So I'm here. I'm trying to make sure that I don't lose my money, and trying to gain some money, and hopefully the stock doesn't go all the way down. I think that I could be secure that the it's not gonna go all the way down under $105. So I could be sure about that. So I could probably feel a little bit of more confidence. Makes me want to leave the money a little bit more. But the thing is, I actually want to buy some more also. So another one of the things that I was thinking about tomorrow, aside of investing on a good company, a new company, I mean, it could be kind of good to actually put more money into Nvidia, but we'll think about that. I actually thought about putting more money into AI companies also, like just expand that AI universe. Maybe an ETF with AI related, maybe would be an option. But I think AI is where the money's at right now. The money's fluctuating a lot with AI, and I think that if I put just my money into a lot of AI companies, we might be able to blow up a little bit of money right there. But we'll see. I'm looking into that right now as we speak. I don't know if this might be all of the video for the rest of the day and just add it up with what I had yesterday, or we'll see what we do on that. But I do want to upload a video today for sure. I was supposed to upload that yesterday, but I mean, nothing really happened for me to be able to tell you something different. So we'll see how it goes today, if it fluctuates up or if it just keeps going down. I mean, right now, if it don't hit $7, I'll probably even go as low as $6, because $6 is a good gain. I don't really care about losing $1, letting it fluctuate a little bit. But if that doesn't happen, then we're just gonna stay in. And tomorrow, I just need to add more into my portfolio just to make it a little bit more flexible. I need to get rid of Spirit and Tech Mac Natural Resources. I'm just letting them actually do their thing and see what happens there. So we'll see, guys. We'll see tomorrow what's the new buy, what's the new company that we add, or the new ETF that we add into our portfolio. For now, we're just waiting for this to either go down or just stay in if it's just going to fluctuate. I'll see you guys with the update later on today. So fuck it, guys. The wait has ended. I actually bought in again right away after. I actually bought in right away. I have like a thought in my head that I don't feel that Nvidia is gonna go lower than $122 or $123. I think that's gonna be where it's stabilized now. So I just bought in again on 123, just in case it never goes back down. But then again, if it keeps going down, we're still on good news, because tomorrow I get paid, so we could just jump into it right in again on the lowest. Just buy a little bit more shares while it's low, keep the $40 in there, and we're actually gonna have more money in there anyways. So we're in a good boat right now. We cashed out $5, which was all we were able to win actually, because based on what we have invested. So I took my gain for $5, went back in. I should have went right back in at 122, but oh well. I thought that it would go a little bit lower. I see that it doesn't after like an hour. I see that it still stays there, ups and downs for 123. So I just bought at 123, hoping that it stays there now. And if it does go lower, it doesn't really matter. Like I said, tomorrow we will just buy in a little bit more shares, a little bit more dollars, whatever. Put in a couple more dollars and then lower that down. So that's my plan for now, guys. What's poppin', YouTube? It's your boy Silos. I'm about to end this video for today. As you can see, I did do some movements. We already know that I sold my Nvidia so I could take out the $5 gain, not knowing if it's going to keep going down or not. If it doesn't, or if it does, I already have the $40 back in there, just in case if it does go up, so we can already be in there. And if it goes down, we'll just try to take at least a loss of $1 and then go right back in wherever it's at, or just wait and see if it goes lower than that. That's the plan for Nvidia. Bitcoin, I saw today it bumped all the way to 65,000, which is very unusual. I don't think it's gonna stay up there at all. So what I did was that I took out the money that I feel that is my gain. which was $5. They charged me 15 cents or 20 cents to take it out, something like that. So I'm exactly at $4.80 gain. I put that on the savings also, and now we're up at $9.85. Well, I guess it was 15 cents what they took off. So $9.85 gain as of today from Bitcoin, which I'm sure will go back to 62, 63,000. We'll go back in there, and 65 will be our top goal again. But anyways, that's actually the money that I've kind of actually really invested in the stock side. I'm losing right now since I don't have those gains from Nvidia anymore, but we're gonna go right back up there, don't worry. Thank you guys, and we'll see tomorrow what we end up buying. First $9.85, almost $10, guys. And this is barely our first month, so great. Tomorrow will be our first month trading and investing, so that's actual good news. So that's good. We haven't lost any money so far, and I hope we don't lose any money on this run. Thank you guys for joining me on this first month. Thank you for my 6 subscribers, and I hope you guys keep adding on to the family. Thank you guys, and you have a nice day.